Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to arrange cabinet panels. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select Advanced tool, Kitchen and Bath or Closet. Enter the Customization interface. Click on the parts at the top and select the panel you want. Drag the panel into the cabinet and select the panel array in the floating toolbar. Select the internal zone where the panel needs to be arrayed. Set the number and direction of panels in the parameter panel on the right. Then click OK. You can see the panels are evenly spaced in the selected position. That's all. Thanks for watching.